Every breath is magical. Every tree has its story. Every plant has its beginning. Every bench has its invitation. And when time stands still, enjoy the moment. Converse with the trees. Remember golden moments. Let your spirit soar in serenity. Walk gently on sacred stairways. It's times like these where you remember who you are and remember your divinity. When you pay homage to Earth Mother for providing us wine and grapes and fruits of our labor and the harvest of our hard work. Give thanks to the little things in life, and those little things will thank you back in leaps and bounds.